Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor, here with your market update for February. Just want to let you know what's going on. So, interestingly enough, everything is still going well. Isn't that good to know? I'm hearing a little bit of panic here and there. People saying, "Is the market going down? Is it going down?" And it's not going down. Not going down. It is just still kind of doing that level off thing that we've been talking about. So if you look at the average sales prices in most of the counties, most of them have gone up, if not at least held steady. Okay, so February 2018 to February 2019, the numbers look very similar, and in most places, we've even had a $2,000 to $5,000 increase in what the average sales price is. So very good news there. We definitely have more inventory, which is one of the reasons that people are seeing or feeling what feels like a slowdown. Last year at this time, we had 15,000 homes on the market, and this year in February, we had 19,000 homes on the market. So definitely an inventory increase. But please also keep in mind that's for the entire Metroplex of Dallas-Fort Worth. 4,000 homes over Dallas-Fort Worth is, I mean, it's a big difference, but the inventory has grown, but we don't have an over inventory yet. We are still short of inventory in a lot of places. So definitely the inventory increase has affected how quickly things are moving. But interestingly enough, also the days on market have not increased quite that much. I mean, in Tarrant County, in February of last year, the average days on market was 15, and right now it's 24. So it's still less than a month. Average days on market is still less than a month. In Collin County, it did go from 22 to 44, so it's grown a little bit in certain areas. But I will tell you, if you've got the certain type of house in the certain area, it's still going to go like a hotcake. I just had one I listed in Arlington that we had multiple offers over the weekend and sold it in 3 days. So I've got one in Mansfield National that we just sold in about 10 days. So a lot of homes are still selling very quickly. So anyway, that is kind of what I have for you today. Average sales prices still holding steady or moving up. Days on market moving up just a little bit. Inventory is up, which is great, and actually the closed sales went down a little bit, but again, that was as the market shifted and people felt that, and I think people kind of got a little nervous. Interest rates had gone up, which they have come back down now. So if you were looking to buy in the fall and you were afraid of the high interest rate, now is the time to do it because the interest rates have come back down, which is great. One thing I do want to address, and I'm going to make another video about this, is that I think there's a little bit of a fear that we are heading into a recession of some sort, or that the economy is going to start to slide down just a little bit. And I'm going to talk to you about why that should not affect the housing market. Okay, so I am going to make another video about that very soon. But if you have a fear of recession, the housing market should not be affected by that. The housing market crashing is what caused the last recession, not vice versa. So I'm going to expand upon that. Anyway, I will post that probably next week sometime, or maybe it's already Thursday, so it won't be later this week, but early next week I'll post something about that. And if you have questions or you want to have a one-on-one conversation with me about that, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Look forward to communicating with all of you. Follow us on social media, and we will talk with you soon. Thanks so much.